Introducing 15.5 quart Brio air fryer oven. A smart digital air fryer and grill that air fries, crisps, roasts, and grills indoors. Make perfect steak, chicken, pork, salmon, grilled cheese, and the best French fries ever. The secret is the Brio specially designed cooking chamber, which circulates superheated air all around the food. Now you can air fry, roast, grill, bake, rotisserie, dehydrate, and more. Forgot to defrost the meat? No problem. You can even cook from frozen, like beef. The integrated digital temperature probe makes cooking easy. Just insert the probe, set the temperature, and touch and go. The Brio cooks until the desired temperature is reached and then stops cooking automatically. Air fry whole chickens to golden and juicy perfection. Serve roast beef medium rare or succulent pork loin, just the way you like it. Plus a grill plate for year-round indoor grilling. The Brio will give whatever you cook that great outdoor char-grilled look and taste in any weather. The Brio also includes stainless steel rotisserie and kebab kits, so you can air fry rotisserie delicious whole chickens, mouth-watering sausage, zesty kebabs. The NuWave Brio is the air fryer that crisps, roasts, and grills indoors all year round. This is your all-in-one compact countertop appliance. Now cook your favorite food faster and healthier than ever before.
Today, we're going to show you how to char grill vegetables without the hassle of an outdoor grill. We've got some zucchini, yellow squash, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, portobello mushroom, asparagus, cooking spray, salt, and pepper. And we're using the grill plate. Let's get started. With the Brio on, we'll begin by setting the cooking temperature to 425 degrees. Press temp and use the up and down arrows to adjust the cooking temperature. Next, we'll set the cooking time to 8 minutes. Press start pause to begin the preheat cycle. The temperature will flash until your set temperature is reached, indicating that the unit is preheating. While the Brio is preheating, let's prepare the veggies and place them on the grill plate. Start by spraying the vegetables with cooking spray. Next, season them with a sprinkling of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. When the Brio has finished preheating, open the door and, using tongs, remove the grill plate from the Brio, placing it on the open door. Place the seasoned vegetables, skin side down where necessary, onto the grill plate. Return the grill plate to the Brio and close the door to start the cooking cycle. Halfway through, 4 minutes, open the door and turn the vegetables, then close the door and let the Brio finish cooking. This way you'll get those beautiful grill marks on both sides. When the Brio has finished cooking, it will show end on the LED screen and shut off. Open the door and remove the grill plate using tongs, or use an oven glove. Place it on the open door again. You just learned how easy it is to grill indoor with the Brio air fryer oven, and we hope this video inspired your next meal. Today, we're going to show you how to cook delicious salmon in just 12 minutes without flipping. We've got our salmon, cooking spray, salt and pepper. And we're using the rotisserie basket. Let's get started. With the Brio on, we'll begin by setting the cooking temperature to 360 degrees. Press temp, and use the up and down arrows to adjust the cooking temperature. Next, we'll set the cooking time to 12 minutes. Press start pause to begin the preheat cycle. While the Brio is preheating, start by spraying the salmon with cooking spray. Now, season the salmon with freshly ground black pepper and a sprinkling of sea salt. Remove the rotisserie basket lid and spray the basket with cooking spray. Place the salmon, skin side down, into the rotisserie basket. Replace the rotisserie basket lid and make sure it is as far down into the basket as possible to secure the salmon. When the Brio has finished preheating, place the rotisserie basket into the unit. The spit on the rotisserie basket has a square end and a round end. Fit the square end into the hole in the left side wall of the oven, and the round end into the bracket on the right. Close the Brio door, and press rotisserie to start the basket turning. When the Brio has finished cooking, it will show end on the LED screen and shut off. Open the door and remove the rotisserie basket using a spit handle or cooking gloves to avoid burns. Place the rotisserie basket on a plate, lid side down. Using tongs, press the prongs together and lift the basket away from the lid. Using cooking gloves and a spatula, Flip over the salmon so the skin is on the bottom and place it on the plate. Now it is ready to garnish and serve. You just watched how to use the rotisserie basket in the Brio air fryer oven, and we hope this video inspired your next meal. Let us know on social media how your Brio cooked your salmon.